Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less. And for those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome to our channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. And you are here just in time for me to show you how I prep for the fall. Now, fall is one of my favorite seasons of the year. And as you can see here, I love to DIY during the fall. I purchased this pumpkin at Hobby Lobby and I wanted it to be more of a bluish color. So I'm going to mix a few paints and paint the pumpkin, this white pumpkin, blue, and I will share with you guys the full outcome of it when I post my tablescape. That will be coming up very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And then I purchased this centerpiece from Sam's Club, and I got some other pieces from Hobby Lobby that I'm going to add in to kind of MYI it. I want to make it my own. And so yeah, I'm really, really excited about all of the decorating and DIYs and centerpieces and tablescaping that I have going on this fall, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Now, in addition to the decorating and the DIYing and the tablescaping, I absolutely love to cook in the fall. Like, I'm all about that fall comfort food. And for this video, I have teamed up with Home Chef to share with you guys some awesome recipes for fall meals that are super, super easy, very, very, very delicious, and most importantly, convenient and affordable. So this time I cooked the ginger salmon along with some meatballs, and I'm just going to take you guys through my process of cooking. One of the things that I absolutely love doing is cooking for my husband. And so, yeah, he's old school. He loves home cooked meals, and Home Chef has been so convenient for that reason. I mean, they're like $9.95. You can kind of go in, look at the menus, have them to be a part of what you select to cook. And they're only like $9.95 average per serving, which is super, super, super affordable. And then I like the fact that all of the ingredients come pre-measured, pre-prepared, pre-weighed out, and it makes it so easy for me to meal prep for my husband for the week. You guys know that I am a national product manager, so I travel 80% of the time. So most of the time on the weekends, on Sunday or first thing Monday morning, I'm prepping all of his meals for the week. And so this has like cut my schedule. I mean, oh my gosh, it has saved me so much time. It's cut my schedule in half in terms of the time that I have to spend cooking. And not only that, the meals were absolutely delicious. He gets to help me choose what we're going to cook. This particular week, I actually chose the menu, but he loved, oh my gosh, he loved this dish. It was so amazing, so easy to make. I think it took about 30 to 40 minutes to make it. And so I'm going to share with you guys what it looks like all finished and prepped. And oh my gosh, such an amazing dish. So here is the dish all plated and ready to go. It looks so amazing. It tasted just as amazing, and I cannot stress how much of a benefit this program is, you guys. I will definitely leave the link down below if you're interested. If you are a working mom, a busy mom or wife, this will definitely help you clear up some time in your schedule. Now, here is how I prep my husband's lunch. I also fix him like one for lunch and then one for lunch at work. So technically, I guess that's dinner, but I prep it. And I also have like, I actually prepare all of his items in like a lunch bag that I picked up from Walmart. It is actually a cooler, but it really works for him. And if you guys want to see a separate video on how I prep my husband for work, let me know down in the comments below. Next up, we are going to be preparing a provolone stuffed turkey mini meatloaf dinner. I love this dish. And one of the other things that I love about it is that, you know, as I mentioned before, I prep my husband's meal for the week before I leave for work. And I love the fact that you can order these like in like 2 servings. And so what I'm able to do is prepare a serving for him to eat at home for dinner, and then another serving for him to take to work with him. And so I don't have to worry about like um, I don't have to worry about leftovers or throwing away food. It's very cost effective. And not only is it cost effective, but it's very efficient. So I don't have to worry about ingredients that I'm not going to use or anything like that. Okay, so back to preparing this dish. You just put the provolone cheese in the middle of the meatball once you add all of the measured seasonings, and you roll them, and then you put them in the pan and just kind of space them out around the pan so that they can cook thoroughly. And I'm going to just kind of let you guys see me prepare the rest of the dish, and then I'll be back to show you how I plated it. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look, I mean, that looks just, oh my gosh, it was so yummy. I really had to restrain myself to not eat his lunch, but I did taste it and it was absolutely amazing. And not to mention, it was very light and it just gave you that, oh my gosh, just that warm feeling that you get when you're sitting there eating some delicious food during the fall. Like, I just love fall comfort food. And again, here is the container that I prepped for him for work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you how I prep for the fall. If you are interested in Home Chef, again, I will leave the link down in the description box below. You guys, I just want to remind you that it's no commitment with them. I absolutely love their meal choices, and I did some individual research on my own, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed with their service. They're best in terms of quality, in terms of pricing, and in terms of customer service. So I just absolutely love their services. Stay tuned for my upcoming tablescape video for the fall and so many more DIYs. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.